Welcome back. It's your girl Levy. I am back again with another hair video, and this one is going to be another bob, except I'm going to do a bang with this bob. I hope you guys stick around to really see how this turns out. Please stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed, I thank you so much for rocking with your girl. And if you haven't, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you're watching the video, just go and click the button. Just go and subscribe. That's all you gotta do. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, and I'm gonna talk y'all through how I did this bob with bang. And this is Empire hair, because y'all know your girl been rocking with Empire hair. It's the color 1B 350, I think it is. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get right into this video and tell y'all what I'm doing. So what you guys saw me do in the very beginning, I laid about 3 tracks in the back, just straight across. And then when I got here to this point, that's when I actually started going around in a circle pattern. And I will continue to go in this pattern until I get to the center of my head. By the way, I started out with the 10-inch hair, which is what you see there. And now I'm going in with the 12-inch. And when I go in with the 12-inch, I'm not really going in a circular pattern. I'm just putting the pieces in as I feel they should go. Some pieces I will take around in a circle, but some pieces I'm not. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to try to explain this the best way I can. So what I did was took a piece of the track, and what I'm doing is splitting the width of the track. I took a razor and just went down the center of that width and split it in half. And what I was showing you guys was on one side of that track is like some little short pieces of hairs. You can either cut those off or you can leave them on. But if you choose to leave them on, when you're making your closure, you have to make sure that you put the glue on the track the opposite side of where those pieces of hairs are, if that makes sense. So that way, when you complete the closure and you open it up and flatten it like I'm doing here, those little bit of hairs will be on the bottom of the closure and not on the top. So that way you won't have little pieces of hair sticking out on the very top of your closure. If that makes sense. I hope I explained it the best way I can, but that's what I did to complete the closure. So here is where I'm sectioning off the bang to clip it away so that I can cut the bob. And I'm going to cut the bob to my liking. I didn't want it too short. And I'm just going to go ahead, even it out on the sides and around the back. And when I'm done doing that, I'm going to come in and cut the bang. and go on with the flat irons. And that'll be it, you guys. So because I wanted a more choppy look with my bang, I decided to do this twist method. And it worked really well as far as like getting my bang how I really wanted it. I didn't want the bang to be like a blunt cut look. So this method worked pretty good. And then you'll just see me go in with those scissors and like chop it in a little more to like shorten the bang to where I wanted it to fall. And once I do that, you guys, I'll just go with the flat irons and then that will be it. So you guys, please continue watching to see the final look, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And of course, as always, I will see y'all on the next one.